Morning, everyone!
Morning!
This June, I captured the tree growing activity conducted by the Environment Natural Resource Division of Negros Oriental.
Nara. Bakal. Bakal. Natay rambutan. Naputay lang ka.
Nakakulibag.
Nakapat.
Kulibag. Napo siya. Nagsulit.
Sanggot.
The tree planting activity, in cooperation with the Quarry Permitters Association in Baslay, Dawin, in partnership as well with the Baslay Highland Agriculture Cooperative, which took place last year. Yes, you heard it right. This video is taking last year of Environment Month. And since June is widely celebrated for World Environment Day, which anchors global conservation awareness. Therefore, even this video is taken last year, I still wanted to share this to you guys, our tree planting in Baslay. As saying, never doubt that small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world.
Itagra ko, MJ. Oh. Siya, kayo pa ba?
Everyone noticed that there's also a dog with us. Yes, some of dog has the owner and one of them are the farmers.
Ako yung nalisa. That's my friend.
And we are almost here to our area for the tree growing activity.
Na naman daw ila dali mambeng. Okay ra ka diya. Oh, why? Nasugot imong kuan. Oh, bi, hiluton ta ka. Ha? Dako ifitasen.
Ay, paila man. Para mahanginan.
Bantiyo gud ma'am.
Yes, we have no idea how far we have to get here, and so it happened.
Ako ga-expect guys na dili ka layo. Ga-short track ko. Murag dili ni mao.
O, so muna yung expectation based on reality.
Dugo na ning nga.
Dili pambukit ang latar.
Sabi na ako diri sa gilid-gilid. Musak ka ko dai. Ang uban diri guys nare ragkaon no pandesal to ra o. Ikaw pandesal o.
So here's the area that we can start our tree planting. One of those plants are Nara, Rambutan, and Langka or jackfruit.
Kaysa kumiga, oh, sus ko. Muna yun.
Oh. Naatay bantay o to ra o. Eagle. Lagi kita tagaan ni sir. Dara na iyang boss gapaabot. Itong brown.
Okay, wala ka lang ko si ma'am anang imong
Naa.
pasones.
Kadako dugo na kayo no sir o.
Medali.
Let's go. Masahit pa nang sunod. Boss.
Bulag eh! Uli, gusto kong gastos! Okay ka na sinisan. Sensitive na kung kanong.
Dara iyang boss di ay.
Ay.
Iyang boss guys. Iyang mo rin gadali siya angat diri kay. Nari diri si sir kuyog siya. Angat. Nag-start tag-ulan. Well, nakapamidiri galakaw sa forest. Ayun na si Rain. Di mo po rin sir. Tawon, gatakiang nabaya siya.
Samad daw siya kuan kay gapang gunit anang
Nitan.
katong gagmay pud ana ba?
May katunggag may ano.
Kaya na mo gabidyo mo.
Is this ready to eat?
Tilwe ko na, ma'am. Tilwe ka. Kabalo, baka dili ni mo tilwa. Di bito na makahilo.
Ma'am Terry said it's not for...
Ano pula, oh? Di ko matagna yung lugar hahabay.
Woohoo! It's ready!
Dito, nagbunda.
So yan na nga, it's raining. Woohoo! I love it. Sakay ka. Dili na sa... Na! Bam bam! Bam bam! Bam bam! Uy, dogili! Tuwan, bam bam! Bam bam! Bam! Here! Bam! Start! Good morning, sir! Basta! Bali, may nabutan na ako. Ready! Here in Baslay!
Tapoy ba?
Tira, wala na kayo.
Okay.